Hello. Welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about how to deal with vaginal blisters. Cleaning vaginal blisters. Vaginal pimples, vaginal seeds, can be embarrassing and frightening, especially if you don't know the cause. Many women fear contracting an STD when they notice that although this is sometimes the case, more often it is a simpler explanation. Are vaginal warts, vaginal seeds, a sexually transmitted disease? Although vaginal warts, vaginal seeds, are not usually an STD, you should eliminate the possibility of contracting them as soon as possible. HPV and genital herpes are two sexually transmitted diseases that most often lead to bumps on the vagina. Human papillomavirus is also known as genital warts. Pain is not usually associated with these warts, so the only symptom you will have to experience is the appearance of the warts themselves. By contrast, genital herpes results in painful, blister-like lesions. Since the bumps caused by these diseases can resemble vaginal pimples, vaginal seeds, it is best to see a doctor if you notice any type of bump on the vagina. They will be able to make a specific diagnosis. Common causes of pimples appear around the vagina. It may seem strange for pimples to form in or around the vagina, but there are pores all over the body and pimples can form anywhere there are pores. Specifically, it is the growth of bacteria in the pores and their clogging that causes pimples. Vaginal warts are usually the result of a blockage of the sebaceous gland or hair growth under the skin. Other causes are stress and hormones related to puberty and menstruation. Pimples on the vagina are most common during the teenage years, when acne is also common on the face, but it can occur in women of any age. Treatment for vaginal warts. Mild cases of vaginal pimples are treated like warts on any other part of the body. Keep the area clean, dry, and cool if possible. The bacteria that make up pimples thrive in warm and moist environments, so creating the opposite of these conditions will reduce new growth. You should not pop the blisters, as they can become infected. Instead, expose the stains to hot steam. This will speed up the natural course of healing by opening the pores. Severe cases of vaginal warts may require treatment. Treatment is usually oral, but there are topical creams that can be used. Prevention of vaginal pimples. Prevention is easy. Wear loose-fitting clothing and again, keep the area dry. Cotton underwear is the best choice for underwear because air can circulate better through it. Also, make sure not to use feminine hygiene products with fragrances or dyes, as they can irritate the vagina and encourage clogged pores. You see, pimples on the vagina are not a big problem. You should get a doctor to rule out an STD, but otherwise, you can take care of your vaginal pimples on your own. In the end, please activate the bell button, subscribe to the channel, to receive from us all that is new. For more information about how to deal with vaginal blisters, please visit my own site. You will find the website link in the description. Thank you.